In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an email address on Facebook. Whether you're trying to reconnect with an old friend or simply need to update your contact list, knowing how to locate an email address on Facebook can be a handy skill. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a small downward pointing arrow. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and this will lead you to another set of options. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. However, our focus today is on finding contact information, so bear with me as we navigate through this. Now, within the settings, you'll notice an option called Accounts Center. Click on this, and it might take a moment to load, but it's definitely worth the wait. The Accounts Center is where Facebook centralizes the management of your personal information across its platforms, like Instagram and Messenger. Once you're in the Accounts Center, you'll want to look for a section called Personal Details. This is where Facebook stores all your contact information, including your email. Click on Personal Details, and you should see a list of all the contact information associated with your account. Finally, click on Contact Info. This is the last step, and it will display all the email addresses you've linked to your Facebook account. It's a straightforward process, but having access to this information can be incredibly useful. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Facebook settings to find an email address linked to your account. Remember, this method will only show you the email addresses that you've personally added to your account. If you're looking for someone else's contact information, remember that privacy settings will typically restrict access, and it's essential to respect others' privacy. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.